Hey everyone, welcome back. My name is Liana and you are on my YouTube channel Leah Style. And in this channel I make videos about styling, about fashion, tips and tricks, different trends. Sometimes I make some beauty videos, so you know, all that jazz. And today in this video I want to share another styling tip. So I talked about some styling options in my previous video, so how to make a basic outfit into a more styled one. And then in this video I'm going to talk about the same, but just we will look into the second combination. So the first combination we looked into was how to take totally basic items, clothing items, and pair it with some dramatic accessories. So in this video we'll look into the second option, and it's to take one dramatic clothing item and pair it with basics. So I hope it's going to be fun. I hope you will like this combination as well. I think it's again, you know, I don't want you to think that these are rules and this is how you need to build your looks. It's just something that kind of helps you, especially when you're starting, when you're trying to create a little bit more styled outfit. This is a good guidance in how to start in building your wardrobe, in picking the right pieces and make them combine them and pair them and make the total look more styled. I don't know if it makes sense. Hopefully it does. As I mentioned before, it helped me a lot because at the moment I am studying personal and fashion styling, and some parts are so interesting and so good to know that I just feel like I need to share it with you because you need to know them as well. So in my previous video, if you haven't seen it already, have a look, because there I am explaining the difference between a basic item and dramatic item. And just to kind of quickly have a look on that. So the basic item would be something super simple, very neutral color, no details, no embellishments, very simple design. And then dramatic is totally opposite. It has very bright color, active print, it has a unique shape, and actually it can be also in this neutral color like beige or black or white, but then it will be either super interesting shape or oversized, or it will have some bold details, so that would be considered as a dramatic item. And these basic and dramatic items are not only your clothing pieces but also your accessories. So altogether this is either basic or dramatic. And then in your wardrobe it should consist of basic items and also on these dramatic items. And in my previous video I actually didn't mention, which I'm going to do now, is the proportion of these basic and dramatic items, because it actually really depends on how do you prefer and on your lifestyle. But in this like an average wardrobe, you should have 70% of basic and only those 30% of dramatic clothing items. You can have more dramatic accessories, but in terms of clothing itself, then you have 70% basic and 30 more dramatic ones. And then when you mix and match all of that, you can create these cool, unique, stylish looks. At the same time, they're not going to be overwhelming. Okay, I just remembered, I did this in my first video and I'm doing it again. I don't know why I always remember to mention this, but at the end of the video I will share one more bonus styling tip. So I like to call it bonus bonus styling tip, and it's going to be at the end of the video. So Yeah, so watch it till the end to know this styling tip. Anyway, let's move on. So as I mentioned, I want to look into the second combination of having one dramatic item and pairing with the rest pieces as basic ones. So a dramatic item can be your top in active print, in very interesting design. It can be very colorful one, and also a dramatic piece can be one of your bottoms, for example, a skirt. Now for spring summer we will have a lot of interesting skirts in bright colors, in interesting prints, or just like floral prints. So this would be also a dramatic piece. And also a dramatic piece can be your jacket, or it can be a blazer. Even a denim jacket can be a dramatic item if it is in a super interesting, unique shape. A blazer in a bright color, these ones are more dramatic items. So if you have 30% of those, you can then create a very interesting styled outfit. I'll show you my blazer. I have it from H&M. It's in this bright pink color. One second. So this blazer is in this super bright pink color, as you see. So, and the color makes it a dramatic piece. Blazer, it's actually in a simple design. It's a little bit oversized, so it's not very fitted, very loose blazer, but that color makes it as a dramatic piece. So if I pair this type of blazer with something super colorful, let's say a top in very active print and very colorful bottoms, it might be just too much and it can be overwhelming. So to avoid that, we can pair it with just simple jeans. I paired it with white jeans and white t-shirt. I think that this bright pink color looks amazing with white, and then added some neutral accessories like just beige creamy sandals and a bag. So now again, it can be just a basic look if you have just jeans and a t-shirt, white jeans, white t-shirt, but then this blazer makes the whole look a little bit more styled. The blazer pops and the color is creating the whole outfit more fun. Another example would be, let's say I will take a skirt. So I have this skirt from Zara. It's actually from a new collection, and again, this item will be dramatic one because of its color. It has this bright green color, and also it has a detail. So it has this bow on the front because of its color, and again that detail, it's a little bit more dramatic item. So now I paired it with just a simple white shirt, and again some very simple accessories like strappy sandals. They can be just black strappy sandals, and very muted simple bag. So now again your standout piece would be this skirt or any other skirt that you will like, and the rest would be super basic. And again, I want to mention that this is just a guidance, so you can always pair it with more active accessories and something a little bit more unique, like maybe a pair of earrings, or your shoes could be a little bit brighter, so altogether it looks more summery. So you can do that, it's fine. It's just as an example how styling works. So you can always mix and match these type of items, but if you want to have one item that would stand out and would make an appearance, then have a look on this combination of pairing it with just basic pieces. And now, as I promised, before we end this video, I want to share one more bonus styling tip. And today I want to talk about stripes. You know how you think that horizontal stripes would make you wider, would make you look like you're wider than you are, or bigger? And it's not exactly quite right. So yes, if you wear big stripes, for example very wide ones, or there's one big wide stripe in the middle of your top, then yes, you can appear wider than you are. But if your stripes are small, you know, those tiny ones, a lot of them, then actually you can wear it and it's not going to make you wider. So definitely this is something, if you like that type of style. I like this sailor type of look, so it's really good also on holidays, so it's very good now for summertime. So if you like that type of look, go ahead, buy these type of tops, but just with some smaller stripes, and they will not make you look bigger or wider, because this was my concern. I've never bought any tops with horizontal stripes until recently, because I learned this tip, and I think it's great, and it's good to know these things, because we always avoid something that actually we don't have to. And I hope that this tip was useful for you. Definitely I think these small tips and tricks are helpful. It helps me a lot, so I hope you enjoy this as well. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Please subscribe so you don't miss the next one. In the next video we will talk about the third combination of pairing two dramatic items with basics, and this is going to be a little bit more challenging, because to pair two clothing items that are very dramatic, it's going to be not as easy, but we'll do it, and it's going to be fun. So I'll see you in my next video. Take care for now. And again, sorry, I forgot to say that huge thanks for everyone who's watching my videos, for your support. I love you all. So I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.